Somewhere in the middle of our first few weeks as a trio, Stewart turns up with a big grin on his face and his hair dyed a shocking platinum blonde. Oh, in short order, Sting and I also become blonde, or blonder, and it turns out that our three blonde heads works like a charm. It unifies us and gives us a strong identity, the Bleach Boys. During this intensive practice period, Sting gets left on his own for a few days when his wife Frances goes home to Ireland. Kate and I offer to let him stay with us and make sure he gets fed. One night, as Kate and I are finally disappearing off to bed, we hear a softly strummed nylon string guitar and a song about a girl named Roxanne. We roll over and drift off to sleep as the germinating seed of "You don't have to put on the red light" caress the last embers of consciousness and makes a lullaby for the baby that grows in Kate's belly. A few days later, Sting, or I, suggest that maybe we try out his new song, Roxanne. At the moment, it's a bossa nova, and that could be a problem in the intensity of the punk scene. Going Brazilian would be suicidal. We decided to try it with a reggae rhythm.